This example problem is going to be done the exact same way we did the last one. We're going to follow the same steps. It's the same procedure, same process. The only difference is that now I have two different variables involved in the same problem. But it's still going to work the same way. So, remembering how we did the last one, someone raise your hand and tell me, what is the general idea here? What is the actual process I'm following? What am I going to do with this 5m to the 4th n squared? Patrick? I will distribute this. So it comes in and multiplies with each piece of this polynomial. Each piece will get distributed together. So, let's again multiply the coefficients. 5 times 3 to give me 15. Again, I'm supposed to add the exponents. But here's where we need to be careful. There's two different letters here, two different variables. I only add up the things that go together. I have m to the 4th and m to the 2nd, so I add them up and get m to the 6th. I have n to the 2nd and n to the 3rd. I add them up and get n to the 5th. You only add the ones that match. Let's do the next piece. 5 times 4 to give me a positive 20. Again, add the ones that match. M to the 4th, m to the 1st. Add them up to get m to the 5th. N to the 2nd, n to the 2nd. Add them up to get n to the 4th. Last piece. Bringing in the 5 times the negative 2 to get negative 10. And here we have a new problem. I want everyone paying close attention. I have m to the 4th here, and I want to bring it in to go with whatever matches. Do I have anything that matches here? If I have m to the 4th, are there any m's here for me to add it with? There are none, which means I leave it alone. I do have n's though. I have n to the 2nd and n to the 5th. They do match. I will add them together and get n to the 7th. Just like with the last problem, I got to stop and look. Do I have any like terms? I see m to the 6th, n to the 5th. M to the 5th, n to the 4th. Those didn't match. M to the 4th, n to the 7th. Nothing matches. That means this is my final answer. So if two variables did not match, m to the 4th, no m's over here, I just left it alone and kept it as m to the 4th. Are there any questions from this example before you try some of these on your own? Yes, Ricky?
Yeah. Exponents are the same, but if, like, let's say m to 6, and you use a different exponent for n, but you have two of the same m.
Okay, good question. Just to clarify what he said and make sure everyone can hear it, he said, what if you had, so he's talking like terms, is that what you're asking about? What if this said m to the 6th and this said m to the 6th? What if they both had m to the 6th? Would I put those together even though the n's are different? And the answer is no, you wouldn't. Everything has to be the same. Remember, like terms, we had this in our notes last week, same variables with the exact same exponents. Everything has to match. Does that make sense? Okay, very good. Any other questions here before you do some on your own? Yes? I did 5 times 3 and got the 15. I did 5 times 4 and got the 20. I did 5 times negative 2 to get the negative 10.